Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to talk about drinks. What are drinks? Drinks prevent dehydration and help us to function our body activities properly. Soda is carbonated water. Beer is an alcoholic drink that is made of malt. Milk is a drink that we get from cows. Tea that is made of milk, tea bags and sugar. Wine, alcoholic drink made from fermented fruits. Water is an important drink for our body. Milkshake, we mix ice cream and milk to make milkshakes. Juice, we can make juice from blending any fruits. Hot chocolate, to make hot chocolate we use cocoa powder, milk, vanilla extract and enough sugar. Iced tea is a form of cold tea. Lemonade, by adding water, lemon juice and enough sugar, we can make lemonade. Coffee, we prepare coffee from roasted coffee beans. Bye friends! Let's meet in another video.